पूछा भी था कि पोर्टफोलियो फोटोग्राफ कुछ चाहिए, वो कही कि नहीं, सिर्फ एक रेज्यूमे साथ में दे दो, हो जाएगा.
Can you mail us one of your
Any photo, if
close-up
you don't
and
have
a
any
full
folio.
shot? Any picture? How are you in pictures?
I can do that, but right now not
You
possible.
can do that
Yeah.
after like since tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I can do that. Yeah.
You have your mail. You have your mail ID.
Yeah.
Send it.
Yeah.
Okay, Robert, tell me something interesting about you.
Interesting. Well, I'm a small town guy from Jamshedpur,
Calling his name.
and completed my graduation in Pune, and I've been really interested in this field of entertainment. So I've joined AFT.
Your voice is very good.
My voice. Oh, thank you.
You're trying for any RG kind of.
Not RJing. I'm trying for acting.
You're trying for acting.
Yeah. So acting and modeling. Like this have been my passion.
You told us you're a small town guy.
Yeah.
कैसा लग रहा है दिल्ली? कैसा लगता है?
Delhi, now it's okay because I have done my graduation in Pune. So now it's okay. I can adjust.
ये रॉबर्ट, मुझे तेरी फोटोज जरूर देखनी है.
Okay.
You're looking good. You are confident. And I want to look at your photographs.
So photos as in close-ups or what
I
you
need
want?
close up and need long shot.
Long shot. Okay. No physique and all,
You
na?
have
Because
some physique.
truly I have to work on my abs.
Just stand up.
Okay.
What's your height? So you are doing what, mass com?
No, acting. 1 year diploma in acting. Yeah.
कितना टाइम हो गया?
1 month.
1 month. कैसा लग रहा है अभी?
Confident. अभी लग रहा है कि मैं भी कुछ हूँ. I can act.
He's got a good voice. You need to look at his photographs. Swati?
I really need to see that. I mean, I'm pretty sure your photographs will come out good.
Okay.
So I really need to see that before we comment on it.
Okay, I can mail you.
Imagine
mail
एक
us
बंदा
tomorrow,
तुम्हारी पिक्चर 1 महीने तक अपनी टेबल पे रखने वाला है, अगर तुम कैलेंडर में हो तो कुछ तो मेरे को देखना है ना उसमें. 1 महीने तक मैं शक्ल देखते देखते वो बोर ना हो जाए. So we have to have something.
Yeah. So you just tell me where to mail it. I'll do that.
That's dates@swatimoto.in.
Dates at swatimoto.in. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
यार फ्रेशर कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए फोटोज?
Yes, sir.
कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिला?
Sir, response अच्छा था. I got an offer from a choreographer, ramp choreographer. He asked me to sleep with him. I refused. That's all.
So you are complete like no.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
Suppose कर विक्रांत,
हाँ जी.
देखो मैं सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. So how would you gel between designer, stylist, photographer, अपने colleagues के कैसे gel करें? Very friendly nature.
I'm very frank. बस उनसे आराम से बात कर ली, उनसे contacts बना लिए. That's
Seems
all.
like तू बहुत गुस्से वाला इंसान.
गुस्से वाला इंसान हूँ.
Am I right or wrong?
I try to.
Am I right or wrong?
No, you are wrong.
I'm wrong. गुस्से वाला नहीं.
नहीं.
भैया मेरे को तूने गलत प्रूव कर दिया.
सर वो गुस्सा नहीं आता कभी. मैंने कभी लड़ाई नहीं करी. वो गुस्सा कभी मैंने किया ही नहीं किसी पे. कभी लड़ाई करके ही नहीं देखी. मुझे पता ही नहीं गुस्सा आता भी है कि नहीं आता.
What do you do apart from modeling?
Sir, I'm a student. I'm pursuing bachelor's in entrepreneurship from College of Vocational Studies, Delhi University. I'm in 3rd year.
Nice voice, nice looks, nice height.
Thank
Get
you,
a folio done soon, dude. But
Sure.
we will surely let you know. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Hold on. Stick.
Sorry.
He has choreographed few shows.
No, I actually just attend some dancing shows and all. I choreographed some dance shows in UP.
In UP.
Yes, sir.
Are you good in b-boying?
Yes, sir.
B-boying आता है hip hop dance.
No, actually some western break, few steps of Michael Jackson and all.
Radio physique. Physique कैसी है? Radio sir.
So,
Out
no
of
abs
10,
actually.
give some rating.
No abs actually. But
बोलो चेस्ट. What's his name?
Amit Bharti.
Amit Bharti.
Amit, experience?
Sir, I have done 2-3 stage plays in UP, and I have done some dance competitions and 2 or 3 fashion shows in UP.
Where are
टेल मी यार, लड़कियां क्यूट तो बहुत बोलती होंगी. What's your age?
25.
And what's your height?
5'11" and a half.
What do you think your USP is?
Yes.
Your USP. Your just describe yourself in one word.
Just nervousness actually. Nervousness. I didn't get actually just
अपने आप को एक वर्ड में एक्सप्लेन करो.
a gladiator.
You are a fighter. अमित, एक और क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
बैठ जाए, बैठ.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
How good are you in making friends?
Actually, basically, I'm rhythm kind of person. Actually, I believe in truth.
Because this competition is all about gelling together.
It's okay, but first of all, if I want to become a model in my life, first of all, I facing towards my career only. Just stop all thinking all this scraps and all. Just concentrate my work. So I will do my work with labor and regularity. It is the key of success. And in a nutshell, you can say that if your work would be in the right direction, then definitely you can get the result in a positive way. Otherwise, it's a God gift. So I believe in hard working and confidence.
So don't you think that was fortunate enough that you were still a B.Tech?
Select हो गया, खुशी होगी.
So, yes, sir.
उसके बाद कैसे तैयारी करेंगे?
Still you want to
I work on my physique and in front of mirror, I just practice different expressions and all.
time that will not be
मेरी राय मानेगा तो
Yes, sir.
try to look थोड़ा raw. You look very cute.
Okay, it's beard and all. No, actually, it's not allowed in jet. That's the main problem with me. I mean, short hair, it's allowed in airlines actually. Yes, sir.
That's why you got good
Yeah.
communication skills. Well, thanks, Amit.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Do an analysis. Okay, so what do you think with that analysis? Where are you leading? What pros and cons do you find in this? Did you quit your B.Tech?
I'm not quit my B.Tech. I'm
See, I complete. You quit your B.Tech field to come into modeling. So what are the pros in modeling that just made you do so? Were you not able to fit into your job? Is it that's the reason why you did it, or there was some other reasons?
the first reason I feel that it's a black collar job. I have to deal with the machinery, with the oils and all these stuffs like that. And
That's the reason why we took mechanical engineering, right?
yes, I do. Yeah, I do this thing for this all these things. Yeah, but I have interest in the project field. Means lots of exposure in the project field.
That's how you make a career.
Sorry.
You are starting brand new here, sir.
How
Brand
would
new.
I-
You just quit a 2.5-year job
Yeah.
for here.
Yes.
You must have been in probation or whatever as a GET for a year.
No, I have completed my GED. Yeah.
See, that's not the point. The point is right now you're a fresher here.
Yeah.
God forsaken, you're earning 15 grand and you just come here. And you don't have a 100% guarantee that you'll make it. So what are the pros and cons you saw?
Actually, nowhere you got the 100% opportunity, or you not got the 100% means.
What did your parents say?
He always supports me.
Still lineage that you've got loads of money at home that you
No, it's nothing. It's nothing like that. I'm the only son in my
That's
family.
why. Because
So
you are the only son, so you can do whatever you feel like.
yeah, I feel I don't have that much of responsibility. I'm 25 here.
So do you realize your sense of responsibility, like you have somebody on your head to take care of? You're leaving a full-fledged job just to take up a career which is only for say 10 years. That's
Yes.
it. After 10 years, you are just nowhere.
Actually, I
mechanically you build up your career, you go out.
At least at the age of 50,
Actually-
you're working.
actually I think you won't got my point. I feel I take 1 month leave from their place from
You
that
said you quit your
means I not quit.
You're not sure.
No, I'm not quitting from this industry. I'll take a 1 month leave to come in this industry to means I just
Yeah,
no I
that
don't.
is a shock for us. You have just quit your.
नहीं quit नहीं, not in that sense quit नहीं किया. I just take 1 month leave from my industry to come and means just check it out. Yeah.
Actually says
Okay.
you're taking a leave, you're doing something part time.
Yes.
That was my question when I asked you, if somebody requires you full time as a model, you
Okay.
won't be able to justify it. You'll always be on the two boats. You'll be always
No, at that time- at that-
B.Tech में जा रहा हूँ, कभी मैं
No. At that time, if somebody requires me in that field, in this field, I'll definitely quit from this mechanical industry. Believe me, I'm going to quit from this because that is my
Confident are you that you will become a good model one day?
110%. Because I have the confidence to face the judges, cameras. I already did this
Industry
thing.
में grow कर पाओगे?
Sorry,
कितने साल तक industry में grow कर पाओगे?
in this industry.
Yes, you are a model.
Okay.
You are my character.
Okay. Okay.
For how long?
Means you want to know how many years I'll give this. I'll give
What
to
do
this.
you think? As me.
At max means as much as I can give this industry near about 20 years. 20 years, yeah.
25 right now.
Yeah.
45 you think you will be a good model. Are you sure?
Now you're asking कि आप कितना time दे
I
सकते?
will never take a 45-year-old model for my shoe.
No, I feel you want to know how much time you are giving to this industry. I feel like that.
No. For how long you will be able to sustain
Her
in the
question is
industry?
very specific.
Okay.
She's like, for a engineer, you build up your career, okay? So by the time you reach 40,
Yeah.
you're settled in life, you know, that's settled.
Yeah, that's the right time.
Okay, that's the right term, very specific.
Yes.
So what she's asking is
Okay.
also very specific. She's like, how long do you see yourself sustaining in this industry? You know, there's a shelf life. A model has a shelf life.
Yes.
They're not forever.
Yes.
Okay?
A model is a model till the time people are happy to see you in the ad and on the magazine's cover page or wherever you want to be.
I mean, that's the highest.
Yes.
Once you reach highest, you know it. What will you do after that? Back to B.Tech.
Yeah, that's
and
my.
it will be like बीच पे जो B.Tech का जो पूरा gap हुआ होगा, technology कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गई होगी.
Yeah.
You don't have that knowledge.
What will you do? मतलब
Actually, that's BTech is my safe side. I'm not traveling in two boats. It means BTech as well as the modeling industry. It's my.
You're contradicting yourself.
No, I'm not contradicting. Means that's my safe side. If suppose I'm not successful in this industry.
Okay, I'll give you a very simple example.
Okay.
You have a project ongoing. Let's say, okay, you have a project that demands you, and here she has a shoot. She demands you.
Okay.
What are you going to choose out of the two?
Definitely this industry.
Definitely.
Yeah, this industry, this modeling industry. I'll choose this thing.
So for one day shoot, you're going to leave your maybe a 3-year job.
It's not necessary that it's not necessary कि मेरे को वहाँ से leave करना पड़ेगा, quit करना पड़ेगा. There are lots of objects.
The project requires you.
Yeah, I know
How
that.
will you justify that? I mean, how?
See,
How many years you
Okay. If
I'm a mechanical.
yes, I'm come to your point. Yes, I'm come to your point. As okay.
If you're not satisfied in your B.Tech job right now, you want to switch over. B.Tech is always, thing given to you. You're a student in science.
Okay.
You can switch over anywhere. No one's stopping you, but you got a career in B.Tech. Here,
Okay. If okay.
stand is not. I understand your passion.
Okay, I just want to know one thing from your side. As you told me earlier that you are also a BTech engineer in the mechanical field, and right now you are doing the job in the computer science, might be, in the IT sector, and now you are here.
No, he's not here. He's just a
You
part
asked
of
me.
the crew.
I'm part of the crew.
He has not
Okay.
left his job to be part of the crew.
No, I'm just here for today. I'm flying out on Tuesday.
Okay, so why you switch off from mechanical to IT?
And he can help friends out.
I'm helping a friend. She's my friend.
Okay,
I'm just helping her out.
okay. My question is why you switch from mechanical industry to IT industry?
IT industry.
Yeah.
My first question was this when I sat in the interview, and my first answer and the only answer in my interview was, I don't want to design gears the same way they have been designed for the past 150 years. With
Okay.
the same formulas, with the same numericals, with the same constants, with the same variables. I don't want to design. I want to keep learning all my life.
Okay.
And the only industry which tells you to learn all your life is IT. Okay, I'm learning each and every day.
Okay.
Believe me, I'm working on software people will be jealous of.
Okay. After.
Learning each and every day.
Yeah, definitely.
So that was my choice to switch from mechanical to IT, but
Right.
I still kept my B.Tech because I thought that has given me a stand. I'm a B.Tech.
Yeah, definitely. That's what I feel. That's what I feel. Kid. It's a stand. It's a platform.
All the best to you. I hope you get what we meant.
Okay.
And we would also understand what you're saying. Part-time करो, fun करो.
Yes.
नौकरी मत छोड़ो.
नहीं. Okay.
Don't leave it. That's
You
one
have your
thing.
family
Who are you
responsibility.
because of that?
Yes.
See this moodle, take it from me. You are you because of that.
Yeah.
आज आप कहीं जा रहे हो, हमें कोई हमारे कोई बताया ना आपने, you are BTech.
Yeah, definitely.
So what? Man, that defines you. That's not tough. Everyone does not do BTech. हर किसी का खेल नहीं है.
Yeah.
Science. You're a student of science. Analysis कर रहे हो.
But it's look means
That's
अगर
what
it's
you feel happy. No, this guy, he's got a passion.
yeah.
Be true.
Be
Yeah.
true
So
to yourself.
I'll also imagine कि okay, whenever I need to call Syed, I have to be sure that he is busy in his BTech.
And he
He'll
have to
only
take leave,
come-
okay.
He'll only come once he's free because I need you.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
So please don't waste your degree.
Okay,
All the
fine.
best.
And
We'll
what
give you
about
a
my
call.
passion means for this industry? Carry on
See that
take
do
leaves.
it on this. That's what I'm saying. Be true to people with whom you're working. Be
Yes.
true. That's it.
That's it. And even your current employer or manager, whatever, just inform them. See, this is my
Already
passion.
informed.
I am doing it. So
Be
might
honest
be-
with them as well.
Don't give false hope. That's the worst thing in life.
Yes.
ये बोल के मत आना मेरी तबीयत खराब है
No,
मैं
no, no.
छुट्टी
मैंने
ले
उनको
रहा
बोल
If you
रखा
don't
है.
do it,
He
say,
knows.
I cannot. If you can, full heart, I can.
हूँ. Fine.
Yeah.
All the best for you.
All the best.
Thank you.
What do you
लॉस एक्टिंग की तरफ
It's only my passion. I'm also in acting too. So I'm doing acting course from AFT. So apart from acting, I have passion for modeling. So I'm here in front of you.
you've got good voice,
just because of the height?
Thank you.
you can be a good
What's the
actor,
scar with you?
expressive. But what क्या चांस लगता है अपने इस कंपटीशन में सेलेक्ट होने के?
I'm confident. Rest is about you. How you select the.
अपनी यूएसपी बताओ, हम आपको सेलेक्ट
And
क्यों
you
करें?
have a good height. Go for the modeling. So you said.
So far as modeling is concerned, you normally look the person, his attitude, his personality. I'm having all the three. So far as other things are concerned, so it is up to you to decide all those things.
तो कब ज्वाइन
But
किया
you
acting?
have to tell me your USP.
Acting
why
3
should I
months
take
acting
you?
course था तो अभी तो हम लोग का चल ही रहा है. It's
You think
about to
so?
complete.
How many girlfriends you have? That will prove how photogenic you are.
What's your
I
height
think you're
and
not at all photogenic.
6'3".
6'3".
Yes.
If you have too many
Walk
of them,
दिखाओगे
you
अपनी
already decided
रैम को?
you're not photogenic at all.
कुणाल पूरा नाम? जैन। पापा का बिजनेस क्या है?
गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर का.
Again, a jewelry person.
नहीं, मैं एक लास्ट एक बंदा आया था, बैठो। वाला आप
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा है, मैंने बोल दिया कि हर ज्वेलरी वाले का नाम है, बेटा जब तुम मॉडलिंग।
अच्छा, शायद फाइनेंशियली बैकअप अच्छा है उसका, इसलिए वो कह रहा थोड़ा टाइम पास कर लो यहाँ पे भी.
You don't like India?
तो मॉडलिंग टाइम पास के लिए ज्वाइन किया?
टाइम पास नहीं सर.
I need your pictures.
आई सीरियसली वांट टू बी अ मॉडल.
अपने अंदर की कमी लगती है?
मेरे अंदर आई थिंक माई बॉडी मीन्स एज माई हाइट इज़ गुड. मैंने हिसाब से अपनी बॉडी को मेंटेन नहीं किया. आई थॉट दिस.
तो अगर इतना पैशन है तो बॉडी मेंटेन
हाँ बॉडी या आई नो दिस थिंग कि ये मेरे अंदर कमी है. मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को.
है बिना पिक्चर के.
नाम क्या तुम्हारा?
कुणाल जैन,
कहाँ रहते हो?
ईस्ट पटेल नगर.
मॉडलिंग ही करनी है.
थोड़ा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बताओ।
So, बड़ा फैंक हूँ मैं
Why do you want to?
सर. इंटरेस्टिंग यू आस्क मी व्हाट इंटरेस्ट.
कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग तो बताया, इतना स्कोप दिया, इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ भी बताओ।
सर इंटरेस्टिंग बस यही है सर. मेरा हॉबी इज़ टू प्ले क्रिकेट है. क्रिकेट मैं बहुत खेलता हूँ और अपने
कभी क्रिकेट के लिए पैशनेट नहीं हो?
5 किलोमीटर के दायरे में मेरा नाम बहुत है क्रिकेट के उसमें. सर क्रिकेट के लिए पैशनेट बहुत था बट नसीब जब साथ नहीं था तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. 10वीं में था तब मैं कैप्टन था. अंडर 14 चेन्नई खेलने गया था. अंडर 16 में मेरा सिलेक्शन भी हो गया था बट मेरी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई तबीयत से तो नहीं जा पाया मैं. फिटनेस उसमें मैं पास नहीं कर पाया. फिर बैटिंग आई एम एन ओपनर. तो 10th के बाद प्रिंसिपल ने मेरे कोच को
बैटिंग करता है. बैटिंग से आप बहुत बैटिंग करते हैं. ज्वेलर
बैटिंग भी कभी कभी कर लेते. फिर 10th के बाद बस क्रिकेट बंद करा दिया मेरे प्रिंसिपल ने. वहीं से बैड लक. नहीं प्रिंसिपल चेंज हुआ था स्कूल में. बाल भारती का हूँ मैं.
तुम्हारे घर वालों ने रोका नहीं मॉडलिंग करने से?
ना क्यों?
इसके घर वाले तो बहुत रोकते हैं इसको।
इसने कहा है कि मैं मोटी पार्टी हूँ इसलिए मॉडलिंग कर सकते हैं।
ये भी जैन है, घर वाले मना कर देते हैं इसको।
हाँ सर, घर वाले मना करते हैं, थोड़ा बैकवर्ड, थोड़ी नैरो माइंडेड है। जैन मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को वेरी फ्रैंकली, ये बनियाद एंड जैन।
कहाँ के हो बेसिकली?
मैं दिल्ली का ही हूँ शुरू से, दादाजी दिल्ली के हैं, पापा भी दिल्ली, पुरानी ओल्ड दिल्ली का ही है।
राजस्थानी भी है।
नहीं, राजस्थानी नहीं हूँ मैं। राजस्थानी होते हैं बहुत जैन, लेकिन मैं नहीं हूँ।
इसका फॉर्म आ गया?
ओल्ड दिल्ली से है सारा कुछ लिंकअप मेरा।